Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you how to add a border to Crochet Granny Square projects. I've used it to finish off this scarf, but you can use it to finish off any Granny Square project. Starting in the middle of any of the squares, we're going to attach the new colour, pull the yarn through, tie in a knot to secure, and we'll begin with a chain 3. This counts as our first stitch. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet in US terms, or 1 treble in UK terms, into the top of each of the stitches across, until we get to a join. I just need to add 1 more at the top of this stitch here. And now we're going to work 2 stitches together in these chain 2 spaces. So yarn over, pull up a loop. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and now stop here and move to the second chain 2 space. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. And yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And now continue across, making sure you don't miss this stitch here, and I'll show you what to do when you get to a corner. I'll just work this last stitch here. And now we're going to work 2 stitches into this chain space. Chain 2 to create the corner, and another 2 stitches to finish. And now continue all the way around, and I'll show you how to finish off when you get back to where you started. Okay, so we're going to finish by working an invisible stitch. So cut the working yarn and pull through, leaving a long tail to weave in at the end. skip this first stitch and sew from the front to the back of the following stitch. Then skip this stitch again and sew through the back loop of this stitch and through this little loop here at the back. We need to secure this tail by sewing through the back of one of these loops. Then make a knot, like so. It's important to make sure it's nice and neat, as the back of this scarf will be visible when wearing it. And weave in the end. And now trim off the excess. And weave in the other end in the same way. And we're done. Now you can block your project to make it nice and straight, but I'm loving the way it looks, so I'm going to leave it just as it is. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more, and I will see you next time.